In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Marksheet in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank workbook. This gives you a clean sheet to build your Marksheet from scratch, which makes the layout easier to organize and customize. At the top of the sheet, in row 1, enter your column headers. You'll want to create headings for name, math, English, science, total, average, and grade. These headers will define the information in each column and make the Marksheet easy to read. Take a moment to type them clearly so your sheet looks neat right from the beginning. Once your headers are in place, begin entering student data starting from row 2. Add the student's name in the first column, then enter their marks for math, English, and science in the next columns. For example, you might place a student name in A2, then the subject scores in B2, C2, and D2. Continue this pattern for each student, keeping one student per row. This structure helps Excel calculate totals and averages correctly. Next, calculate the total marks. Click in cell E2 and type the formula equals SUM open parenthesis B2 colon D2 close parenthesis. Then press enter. Excel will automatically add the marks from those 3 subject columns. After that, copy the formula down the total column for the rest of your students. This saves time and ensures each row uses the same calculation. Now calculate the average score. In cell F2, type equals average, open parenthesis, B2 colon D2, close parenthesis, then press enter. This will give you the average of the 3 subject marks. Drag or copy that formula down the column so every student gets an average. To assign grades automatically, go to cell G2 and enter the IF formula that checks the average score and returns a letter grade. Use the formula exactly as shown in the tutorial so the grades are assigned based on the score ranges. After pressing enter, copy the formula down the grade column. This is a useful way to automate grading and avoid manual mistakes. Once the calculations are complete, format your Marksheet to improve presentation. Make the headers bold so they stand out. Add borders from the Home tab to separate the cells visually. Adjust the column widths so all text and numbers display clearly, and center align the marks for a cleaner, more professional look. If you want to make the sheet more visual, you can apply conditional formatting. Select the marks range, go to Home, then Conditional Formatting, and choose a style such as green for high scores and red for low scores. This optional step helps important values stand out quickly. Finally, save your file by pressing Ctrl and S, then give it a clear name such as Student Marksheet.xlsx. Once saved, your Marksheet is ready to use.